Scott here with another video. Got a full bagger here, 16 pieces. We're gonna do a custom paint job on it. So basically what the customer wants is some candy red areas, mainly a black base though, a black candy coated black metallic base. So he sent me a sketch or a Photoshop image that shows about where the red areas will go. So the game plan here is to do all the parts in black. I will do the silver areas. And then what I'll do is over reduce some black and come back and fine tune those fades. So then what I'll do is spray a dusting of a slightly bigger flake over the complete paint job, and then we're going to candy it, clear it, and that'll be it. So I'm going to do this in segments. I got a GoPro, but I'm not going to wear it today. So this will be my second bagger in 2 days. So I'm working on a video of an orange one that I did a two-tone on, and I did that yesterday. A little tip for you on that orange bagger, so be sure and see that video when it comes up. So my next segment will be a little bit down the road here. I'll go ahead and seal these, black them, spray the silver splotches, the silver areas, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like before fine tuning the shading, the fades, and then candy. Again, here's what the customer visualized. He did this, and we're gonna make it happen. So next segment, you'll see some silver areas on these parts. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. As you can see, I've done all my shading. I did say I was going to put silver on here, but I forgot the customer wanted a deeper brandywine type color. I call it candy wineberry, so I had to make up my candy wineberry base, which is for you guys that have seen my candy wineberry, it's basically a mix of blue House of Colors, BC04, and Cinder Red, BC11, I believe it is. So about 50-50, get you this shade. So the next step, I told you I was going to over reduce some black and kill some of this fade, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Let me turn my nozzle down a little bit. Hard to do one-handed. Okay, you can see there's a lot of excess metallic on the edges here. So I want to clean that up. I want to come back with some over-reduced black and just kill that. And also, like on the sides here, you want to make sure you kill at least this edge right there. If you don't, of course you'll have metallic on this edge, and then the tour pack bottom right here, you won't have any, so it really won't look good. So you want to make sure you get this edge black, and then you can start your fade. So basically, I got my nozzle turned down. Just want to work the black back in there. Just kind of fine tune all the fading. And you want to make sure you get this area right here all black. So I'm going to go ahead and do all these parts, double check them. Then I'm going to come back and put a coat of flake, just a slightly bigger flake than a metallic. And then I'm going to candy them. So I'll be right back. I'm going to finish this up. I'll be right back. Thanks for watching. Okay, I got the fades the way I want them. And I put a coat of flake on there. If you look real close, you can see it. It's going to look black out of the sun, but have a nice sparkle in the sun. So you can see how the fade looks on the tank. Got the bag. And this is how the tour pack lid came out. So rest of the pieces. Fairing, this part should look pretty cool right here. Nice fade going into the scoop. So anyway, getting ready to do the candy part and clear. So I'll be back with another segment. Okay, I just got done candying all the parts and clear coating them. So they're good to go. You can see how the subtle fade came out. So we'll wet sand and buff these Monday. On this bike, we took them off and we got to reinstall everything. So anyway, that's how I did a fade. So you just got to work it in. All the edges of the tour pack bottom, the tour pack lid, the saddlebag lids, and the saddlebag lowers all are solid black with that coat of flake I was talking about. I don't know if I can get that in here. No, you really can't see the flake. I'm sure it'll stand out in the sun. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. You like this video, thumbs up please. Subscribe to my channel. More videos coming. Okay, this is the conclusion of our candy fade paint job. We put the bike together, just finished it. As you can see, it came out super nice. Customer wanted a subtle fade on it. And as you can see, the black is not black. Little bit of sparkle to it. Got the fade going down here. Really don't have the bike angled correctly for the sun to maximize what the paint job looks like, but this will give you an idea. So thanks for watching.